Hi Aries! Kamusta? Welcome back to Pinay Angel Tarot. So this is your Tadhana reading for December 2020 for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. So I hope okay naman kayo dyan, mga Aries. Okay, for your overall energy, you got 9 of Pentacles. Wow, so you are feeling very independent and strong and ini-enjoy mo yung stability sa buhay mo. Okay, for December 2020, masaya ka kung nasan ka. Marami ka nang na-achieve. And yung mga achievement mo na yan, pinaghirapan mo yan. Okay, kaya nakikita ko sa'yo yung confidence and proud ka sa sarili mo, Aries. Okay. So, ang focus mo for December 2020 is, wow, you got the Star card. So, may hope and inspiration ka sa buhay mo, Aries. And, nafe-feel ko yung saya mo. Nafe-feel ko din yung excitement mo. Okay. For some of you, nasa spotlight kayo. Maraming nag-admire sa inyo. Okay. Kasi itong the Star card is energy din ito ng someone na nasa spotlight. Parang not necessarily celebrity or star. Pero parang ganon. Yung parang maraming nakatingin sa'yo and gusto nila yung nakikita nila sa'yo. Okay? So, what crosses you is priority. You're juggling. Marami kang inaasikaso. Okay? Marami kang iniisip. Busy ka. Okay? Nakita ko na very competitive ka, kaya andun yung struggle sa'yo. Pero, at the same time, alam mo sa sarili mo na yung ginagawa mo is for the long term. Okay? Kaya, andun yung happiness sa'yo. Andun yung excitement. Okay? So, what lies above you, 4 of Cups, parang sa love connection mo, parang feeling mo kaya nyo pa na mag-improve pa to. Okay? Parang hindi ka pa kontento in terms of emotions sa kung nasan kayo ngayon. Okay? For some of you naman, mas gusto nyo na maging single. Okay? Kasi yung overall energy natin is 9 of Pentacles. So, nakikita ko na some of you single kayo and may nag-offer sa inyo ng emotions pero hindi nyo pinapansin. Okay? Yeah, parang masaya ka kung nasan ka ngayon for being single. With being single. Okay? And, ayan o, kasi may 3 cups ka na and hindi mo pinapansin yung offer sa'yo. For some of you, nakikita ko na mas pinili mo yung family and friends mo kaysa dun sa person na nag-offer sa'yo ng love. Ayan. Kasi gusto mong i-enjoy. Nakikita ko gusto mong i-enjoy yung mga fruit ng hardship mo. Okay? Yung pinaghirapan mo. For some of you naman na in a relationship na kayo, committed na kayo, nakikita ko dito na you want something more sa love connection nyo. Although masaya ka at hindi ka dependent sa person mo, pero naghihintay ka na mag-offer sa'yo ng something big. Okay? Kasi may nakita kong offer sa'yo na parang nakita ko na nakukulangan ka, Aries. Okay? And then, what lies below you is, wow, 7 of Cups. So, may excitement sa buhay mo and iniisip mo na yung mga possibility para sa'yo for the future. Ayan, 7 of Cups. Yeah, ang dami mong options sa buhay, ang daming possibilities para sa'yo. Okay. For some of you, nakikita ko na inaaral niyo yung situation ninyo, yung love connection nyo. Nakita ko na nagpa-fantasize ka na ng mga possibilities. You're very excited. And then, what lies behind you is the Lovers. So, yeah, I can see na yung love connection nyo ngayon medyo marami na din kayong pinagdaanan. So, you got the Lover's card here. Definitely, there is love and yeah, I feel like na-test na din tong love connection nyo sa past. Okay, there is deep love dito. And for some of you, maaring soulmate connection to. Okay. What lies before you? Wow, 8 of Cups. So, nakikita ko dito na you want something better talaga. Okay, kasi itong 8 of Cups, may na-establish na kayo, pero you're looking for something more. Okay, well, iba-iba kayo ng situation, so just take it how it resonates. Yeah, so maaring hindi ka naman mag-take action dito sa feeling mo na to, pero definitely nafe-feel mo yon na parang ayaw mo ng ganito in terms of emotions, okay? Sa emotions to. So gusto mo talaga yung nakita ko na gusto mo yung malalim na love. Okay? So yeah, sa nakita ko nga sa past, sa past naging malalim na itong connection na to, pero parang nag-expect ka pa ng something deeper pa. Okay? Yeah, pero you know what, actually parang temporary lang yan na feeling mo na parang feeling mo na for some of you gusto nyong umalis. Okay, pero nakikita ko dito na temporary lang yan kasi this is only minor arcana card. So parang nakikita ko na you're being impulsive. Okay? Ayan, so don't be impulsive. Okay? So sa ngayon, ang energy mo is 10 of Swords. May ending dito. So nagkaroon kayo ng arguments and may isang cycle dito sa love connection ninyo na naging struggle para sa'yo. Nasaktan ka dito kasi may nakikita kong blood dito. Okay? Yeah, nasaktan ka. And mukhang may ginawa talaga itong person sa'yo na hindi mo nagustuhan. Okay? Pero, itong 10 of Swords, number 10 is an ending. So, ibig sabihin ng ending, kapag may ending, may new beginning. So, nakikita ko na nasa point ka na ngayon na gusto mo nang mag-recover kasi tapos na tong cycle na to. Okay? And after nitong recovery na to, may bagong cycle na naman. Okay? And then, yung energy ng person mo is, wow, the Hierophant. Yeah, malalim nga tong love connection ninyo kasi kanina may the Lover's card, diba? And then ngayon, lumabas yung Hierophant card. So, yeah, for some of you, this is a soulmate connection. And for some naman, maaring kasal na kayo sa person na to or may anak kayo. Okay? Kasi the Hierophant is also about institution. So, maaring marriage or yung pagiging parent or yeah, any kind of deep connection. Okay? And then, yung mutual energy ninyo is the Chariot. Wow. So, there is so much action dito sa connection ninyo. Ang daming nangyayari or yeah, ang daming nangyayari ngayong December. Okay? So, for some of you, magta-travel kayo with this person or yeah, one of you is magta-travel. Yeah, so mutual energy nyo to eh. So, parang fast-paced yung mga pangyayari for this December para sa inyo. Nakita ko, andun yung excitement. Andun din yung yeah, excitement and determination. Okay. And then, yung outcome ninyo is Ace of Wands. Wow. So, this is attraction, passion, and something new. So, I feel like itong Ace of Wands is ito na yung bagong cycle. Okay? Kasi galing ka dito sa 10 of Swords na medyo ino-overthink mo to eh. Pero nasa point ka na din na tapos na to. So, dito ka na ngayon. May bagong passion, bagong sparks dito sa love connection na to. So, yes. Andun yung attraction and passion and excitement. And for some of you, nakikita ko na you're following your heart. Okay? So, kahit minsan parang may feeling ka na minsan na gusto mo pag-isa or you want something better. Pero, nagsisimula ulit kayo. Okay? Yan yung outcome nyo dito sa reading na to. Okay? For some, nangyayari na to ngayon or mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And then, yeah, that's it. So ngayon, tingnan natin yung i-clarify natin yung overall energy mo, and then kuha tayo ng oracle messages for you, and also kuha tayo ng career card. Okay. Oh, wait on. So, I'll get a card from the Romance Angels Oracle deck. And then, yung career card mo. Oops. And then, another oracle message. And then advice. Okay. So, tingnan natin. You got 9 of Swords, King of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Wow! Wow! Nakikita ko na mas nagiging deep itong connection ninyo. Okay? Which is actually a good thing. Kasi, ino-overthink mo siya eh. Nakikita ko na nagsa-struggle ka, pero actually ang nangyayari is dahil to sa fear mo. Okay? Parang nag-iisip ka ng mga bagay na posibleng mangyari. Okay? So, ang advice para sa'yo is, maging optimistic ka. Okay, Aries? Kasi, nakikita ko na malalim yung love dito. Kasi, King of Cups, there is deep love talaga. Okay? Medyo tahimik ka lang. And, nakikita ko na wala kang action. Okay? More ka sa waiting, thinking. Yan yung nakikita ko sa'yo. Okay, kailangan mo mag-effort din. Okay. Although maganda naman yung outcome kasi may bagong emotions dito na positive with Ace of Cups. Okay, kaya lang, nakikita ko din yung struggle mo. Okay, masyado ka nag-worry. Okay, so, this is just a reminder for you to be optimistic. Okay? Don't worry. Okay, kasi nakikita ko emotional ka eh. Okay, pero so far sa nakikita ko dito sa reading, wala namang reason na maging emotional ka. Okay? Good vibes naman yung mga lumabas. Although nakikita ko na there are some things na gusto mo mangyari na hindi nyo pa na-achieve dito sa connection na to. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano na nakuha mong oracle messages. Oh my gosh! Honeymoon! Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Wow, tamang-tama kasi holidays na, diba? It's Christmas time, almost, and then New Year, diba? So, ayan, nakikita ko na masaya kayo ng person mo, ini-enjoy nyo yung holidays. Sinishare nyo yung love nyo, and nakikita ko din na emotional kayo in a good way. Okay, ginagamit nyo din yung intuition ninyo. Ayan, so, wow. Honeymoon, taray. And then, for those na single naman, nakikita ko sa mga single is, ini-enjoy na din yung holidays and masaya kayo kung nasan kayo. There is bliss. There is bliss. Okay? And then, yung career card mo, wow, King of Pentacles. So, grabe pala yung focus mo, Aries. Grabe yung focus mo sa career and sa stability mo. Okay? Kasi yung overall energy natin is 9 of Pentacles. This is also about stability. Okay? So, yung energy mo ngayon is more ka sa stability. Stability talaga yung focus mo. Okay? Nakita ko din na hindi ka masyado nag-enjoy. Kaya siguro, parang in terms of emotions, parang nag-overthink ka or may mga gusto kang mangyari na feeling mo hindi mo na-achieve. Okay? Kasi ang reason na ba't ganun yung energy mo is because yung focus mo sa ngayon is career talaga. Money, stability, success. Okay, which is a good thing kasi syempre magbibigay ng abundance sa'yo yan. Okay. So that's your career card. And then you got freedom. You're free to do what you choose. Wow. Ayan, so remember always na may freedom ka. Pwede mong gawin kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? Kasi in terms of stability naman, nakita ko naman na may mga achievements ka na eh. Okay? So, yeah, kung ano man yung gusto mo ma-achieve, go for it. Okay? Wow, ang ganda ng dolphins. So, yeah, this is freedom. And ang saya nila. So, nakita ko na gusto mo i-enjoy yung freedom mo na yon. Yeah, so go lang. Write mo yan. Okay. Wow. And nakita ko din na may passion dito kasi nakita ko yung color orange dito. Sunset, diba? Ayan. And then, for your advice, ang nakuha mo is Knight of Gabriel. Confident, enthusiastic, courageous, charismatic. Wow! So, ano talaga? Aries na Aries talaga itong energy na to. So, ang message dito is, time to take action, great passion for a cause, instinctively knowing just what to do. Wow! So, ang ganda ng energy mo, Aries. Kasi, ano ka Knight ka dito So, yung Knight kasi, ano yan, masipag yan mag-effort. You know what to do. Yun nga, yung sabi dito. Kunyari, if you have to do this, then gagawin mo talaga. Kung parang may pinupush sa'yo yung passion mo na gawin mo itong bagay na to, gagawin mo talaga siya. Mag-effort ka talaga. Okay? So, grabe yung passion mo and then may reason ka talaga for that. And then, for some naman, may nakita kong message na kailangan mong mag-take action, okay? For some, I feel like kulang din kayo ng effort sa love connection nyo na para i-express nyo kung ano yung nararamdaman nyo. Syempre, in a way na positive, okay? Yeah, so kailangan nyo mag-take ng action, okay? Yeah, actually, ganun nga yung ibang Aries. Parang may gusto kayong gawin ng person ninyo para sa inyo, pero kayo mismo, hindi kayo nagtitake ng action. Yeah, yan nga usually yung lumalabas ng energy ng Aries. So, for some, okay? For some naman, very confident kayo. Nagtitake talaga kayo ng action. Pero merong iba na hindi pa nila alam na dapat mag-take action sila. Yeah, kasi nag-expect sila na yung other person yung magtitake ng action or gagawa ng effort. Okay, so itong message na to is a go signal for you na gawin mo na yon kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. Kung ano yung kulang sa connection ninyo, ikaw na ang mag-take na action. Okay? Yeah, I think hindi mag-resonate yan sa lahat. Pero for many of you out there, I know na nag-resonate yun. Okay? Okay, so, yeah, so that's it, Aries. So, alright guys, so that's what I got for you for your Tadhana reading for December 2020. Thank you for watching and paki-like po ng video, okay? Don't forget, i-click nyo na yung like now na. And then, for those na hindi pa kayo nagsasubscribe, i-consider nyo din po na mag-subscribe kasi malaking tulong po yun sa akin, sa channel na to. Okay? Thank you so much po and advance Merry Christmas. And thank you again for watching. Ingat po kayo. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye!